Let's get to GoDaddy CEO Aman Bhutani, who's here in a Fox Business exclusive. I know it's a rough day for the stock, Aman. I mean, what do you want to tell investors who right now are bearish on the stock?
I want to tell them GoDaddy had a fantastic quarter, ending a great year. You know, we grew bookings 9%. We expanded margin 400 bips, and free cash flow, which is our North Star, grew 25%. You know, I think when people look quarter over quarter, sort of year over year, there can be some one-time things. But if you look at the North Star of the company and our investor day targets, which are now a year old, we are at or ahead on every financial metric. And if you look at the pace of execution at the company or innovation at the company, it is just fantastic. I'm excited. Our teams are excited. And of course, we'll talk to our long-term shareholders over the next week to understand their views. But I would say most of our long-term shareholders are just excited with where we are.
Long-term shareholders, and if you bought it a year ago, you're up about 90%, folks. So okay, one quarter, but when people look at the number of year over year for profits, it came way down. What was the one-time issue, or what can you at least explain to investors happened?
Yeah, you know what? There was a one-time change in Q4 last year, but what we really focus on as a company is free cash flow and normalized EBITDA. Those are our profitability metrics. And Liz, we've grown normalized EBITDA margin 900 bips since 2020. We've grown free cash flow. Free cash flow has doubled in that time frame, right? We have a target of 4.5 billion in free cash flow in the 3 years, 24 to 26, and we are ahead on that target. So really across every metric, you know, if you look over a longer period of time, we're doing really well. You can look over 2 to 3 years, you can look over 5 years, you can look ahead for where we're going. We just guided to another year of double-digit growth for normalized EBITDA, double-digit growth for free cash flow. So we feel very good about where we are and the path we've charted. We're also investing in innovation like Aero, which sets the right tone for the long term for the company. And we're adding value for customers and adding value for shareholders.
That's what I want to talk about, Aero, and it's spelled A-I-R-O because it's an AI tool that really helps small businesses, as Walton Goggins showed, look a lot bigger than just being in a garage. That was a great commercial, I must say. Give me a sense of how it has performed. What's the customer adoption since you launched it?
Yeah, millions of customers have now discovered Aero, and over half of them have engaged with it. And what does it look like when you buy an Aero domain? What happens is you buy the domain name, and Aero automatically builds you a one-page website. It automatically creates a logo. It automatically creates a pay link. It will create social media posts. It will create emails that you can send your customers. Now, I'll give you the example of a customer who messaged me directly. This customer is working with a nonprofit in Africa, and he wanted to give them awareness in the US, and he went and bought the domain for them. And Aero created the website and a few marketing materials, and he was just blown away. He sent a message that basically said, I can't believe that I just bought the domain, and I'm ready to get started. I'm at the start line already. That's what we want from customers. We want our customers to start with us on this higher hill. We want them to start with us with all of these things in place, their logo, their email, their social, their pay link, their domain, of course, and a one-page website, just because they came to GoDaddy. And that's the power of getting entrepreneurs jump-started.
Making a Chihuahua look like a Great Dane for a business. I like it.
That's right.
You serve primarily small businesses. Give me a sense, Aman, what the small business sentiment is right now in the country.
Yeah, small businesses tend to be very positive, and they tend to be, always excited. And small business owners, frankly, even if they think that the economy, even if they're not so optimistic about the economy, they're optimistic about themselves because they're a resilient and creative group, and they have to make things work. So what we see is, I think, a little bit of tentativeness from some customers, but if you ask them about their business, if you ask them about how they feel or what they're going to do, they're positive. They want to go make it happen. And we continue to see the secular trends of entrepreneurship and technology helping micro businesses. I'm going to call them micro businesses, not small businesses, because these are very, very small businesses. A third of them, there's only one person in the business, and they've got to make it happen. So I think generally they feel good about long term and being able to make a difference. And we're there to partner with them.
So as we finish up, I just want to know how Walton Goggins' Goggles company is doing since that commercial.
Walton Goggins has had a great last few days, Liz. People love his goggles. In fact, I'll show them to you. I have them as well.
Oh.
So these are the Walton Goggins glasses that, Walton Goggins set up this fantastic business, and GoDaddy partnered with him to grow his business, and he's using Aero across all parts of his business. And the goggles are fantastic, and customers love them, and his sales are through the roof. And we're doing great too. We've got great traffic and such, but his sales are through the roof.
It's great to see you, Aman. Thank you so much for coming on. I know it's a tough day, but this is the kind of CEO you are. You get out there and you talk about the future and you talk about what you've promised investors for the coming year. Thanks so much.
That's right. Thank you for having me, Liz.